Akakiiko k'ebyesente aka Parliament akarukorwa omunyishengero Amos Kankunda karambwire emirimo eriyo nekorwa ekitongore ky'eby'emisoro ekya URA kandi kasimire emirimo eriyo nekorwa rwagati y'ihanga rya Uganda hamwe na Rwanda.
We are here as a committee that I chair to look at how we can facilitate trade, how we can facilitate Uganda Revenue Authority to facilitate traders to do business both internally within a country, but specifically here at the border to look at cross-border trading and how it can be facilitated, which is very important.
What we have seen here that we have done this, we have injected money in this so that trade in these two countries should be facilitated and should be quickly so that it can boom up. What we need is the boom up of the trade in this.
Ab'emisoro ahashareji nibajya no barabe no batunga emisoro mingi ngo bitu bakine ekizubu cyo boraro bw'abakozi amashanyarazi nagarugargaho barikire ekiri kuteganisa emirimo yabo.
We are only faced with a number of challenges here, starting from staff accommodation, which has been delayed maybe by the Parliamentary Finance Committee, but hopefully they've promised to work on that. Then our geographical location, of course, it tends to divert our people who would use this station. They opt for Katuna and Chanika, which have lesser distances to Kigali.
The revenue collection is not yet good, is not yet okay because of interruptions of the disease of COVID-19. But now the business is now resuming, they are resuming, and things are moving well. Though we are not yet there, we have not yet reached there. But the URA, they are doing their work, and we expect better reports.
Abanyishengera aba nibagira ngo obamanyire ebizu by'abantu aba kakakiiko nibaza kureba ngo bayongera sente abaha bodezi emirimo yabo ereke kucyumbagera.
As a committee, normally when we understand challenges that are faced by the revenue collection, the taxpayers, we go and look at the next financial year budgeting and make sure those challenges are addressed through appropriation. Now, for example, when we were at Mirama Hills, officers, we found that they have no accommodation, they have nowhere to sleep. And they cannot just go into any other house or houses that are nearby. There is a trading center called Sophia to rent there. Remember how conscious they are as revenue collectors.
Gashakwa Aneta Atukunda.